As a company, we stand for trust, simplicity, respect, curiosity, and craftsmanship. Every interaction at Sahaj, everything that we do, be it internal, be it with the client, these values always reflect into all of our actions, all of our behaviors and everything.
So the reason we went to Sahaj was we believed they had the hardcore engineering skills. We trusted them to do what we needed them to do. They have a fantastic outfit, great individuals, great backgrounds, who provided those skills both from the data perspective, engineering perspective, data science perspective. And they literally understood our business and they were keen to work with us in a partnership. And that partnership has built over the last 3 years to such an extent where we don't treat them as an external company. They're a part of our business.
The way we engage is, let's be part of your team. So the customers really understand their business well. They are the subject matter experts. We bring in the technology expertise, and together is how we create magic. We've actually built 5 different products for them, which not only supercharges their business, solve the internal problems, but actually put Talon, I would say, in a different orbit, because that has enabled them to be a data-driven business, that has enabled them to build capabilities that can actually make the entire out-of-home industry take on the online advertising industry and be at par with them.
Highlights building an MVP version of our planning product called Plato in 4 months under immense pressure, under insane circumstances. We built a data management platform in a year.
People at Talon had the right mindset to transform their business, and we at Sahaj collaborated to build a new data-driven platform. We worked closely with the stakeholders to understand their business, and as we iteratively built the platform, we validated the insights on various campaigns and measured its effectiveness.
We have what, in my opinion, and probably many others will agree to this, is the best out-of-home data management platform in the UK, if not in the world. And on top of that, by taking Plato and Ada, we managed to build that programmatic trading platform called Atlas in 6 months, which is unheard of. It's brilliant. It's a fantastic product. We did it with their help. And the reason we were able to do it so quickly is because they understood what the challenge was and they understood what our core capabilities were.
As part of Ada, we've built a data management platform that allows us to ingest billions of data points so that we can analyze, predict, and operationalize all the derived insights. The system can also start to look at the effectiveness of a frame in context of an audience or a campaign. The system can start to tackle hard problems like post-campaign measurements or even attribution. Plato, on the other hand, continues to focus on building information interchange highways with other systems in the industry. Now Atlas sits on both these capabilities, and it crunches data on top to drive campaign strategies as well as playouts that will deliver maximum value for the market.
Data science is going to power and enable businesses to succeed. We've already seen that in industries like video on demand or the ride-sharing apps, where data-driven decision-making has replaced the traditional ways of doing things. And as the ecosystem for data platforms matures, a lot more industries will be ripe for data-driven disruption.
So it's great having somebody who's got those hardcore engineering and data skills that we can call in on demand to do what they need to do. So it's a very symbiotic relationship. They understand our culture, they understand where tech comes into play. I've never worked in an organization where we can deliver so much so quickly for a limited cost and in a short amount of time. And that only works by 1, trust, 2, having individuals who know what they're doing, and us treating them in the same way that we would treat our internal people, our internal resources.